Okay, so this is going to be the last one for the homeschool moms this morning because I have a CEU that I need to attend in a couple of minutes. All right, so test of academic proficiency. Unfortunately, I reside in a state that is requiring that, or a school district and a school that is requiring that. And they will tell you that there is no preparation for these tests. That's a lie. They will tell you that they will just schedule the test. Your child will take the test. You will not prepare for the test. Nothing. They just throw you in there and you got to take this test. All right. So there is preparation for the test. Look online, Google and search. They will tell you. One of my child's counselors told her that if she did not pass the test, she could take it again. That is not true. I don't know if that's miscommunication. I was told the same thing. I don't know if the counselor misunderstood which test. I don't know, but that's what we were told, and that is not true. So if you don't pass these academic proficiency tests, you have to take the whole class over. And in the lovely county that I reside in, unfortunately, I was told the other day that she can't take the class where you can take a test to see what you've mastered and what you haven't, and then you just redo the parts that you did not master. They want her to take the whole full class over again. Why? I don't know. Because it's called credit recovery or taking the whole class. So why is it that she has to take the whole class over versus doing credit recovery when credit recovery is an option? Why is that? That's what I want to know. Why is that? So I posed that question to the board the other day to find out why is that, because I don't understand, right? But yeah, so let me tell you really quickly, because I got to get to my CEU. There are accredited programs in your state, in every state, where your child can take the classes and they be accredited. So if your child transitions back to public school, they have taken an accredited course in that school district. That's something that no homeschool mom told me. I paid for my daughter to participate in programs, and I paid the same amount that I would have been paying if I was taking an accredited program that I just found out about through another school district, because I was calling the different boards of education in my state to find out different information. And this is what someone from another district shared with me and actually gave me the list of accredited programs. Okay. And so I'm going to continue after my CEU.